I'm too fat for this thing.
I smacked your daughter's hands because she came over and slapped me.
Alright. Don't do it again, Kiwi. I'll smack you.
I already took care of it. I'm just letting you know.
Here.
Can I push you forward? I'm not going to tickle you, I promise.
Go away. Kayla, help me.
Nah, I'm good.
Go away.
Stand up. I'm serious. Hold on. Lean forward. Oh, got the whale's tail.
I'm so scared.
Your daughter. That's why I dropped it.
How does that happen?
Scott, would you like any help? Alright guys, I need a drink, I'll be right back. Skylar, Kiwi.
No! Skylar, Gary. Yeah, here we go.
Scott, give me your hand.
Akiri.
Oh, you want to get on?
You having fun now?
Yeah.
Ready? Ridiculous. Look, let's go attack your daddy.
No.
We're gonna go attack daddy. Where you think you're going? Oh, she wants to drive again.
You better hope my brother doesn't run into her.